Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're going to show you our Dodge Ramcharger. It was one that had come from California years ago and then has been in South Dakota and was restored by a local shop here in the area. They did a very nice job, some new bumpers, new paint. Did the two-tone paint on it. This color is a little off of the original, but nice look to it. So here you can see windshield's good, new molding there. Moldings here all seem to be in good shape and stuff. Like I said, just got done. New wheels and tires, painted and powder coated, I believe, the wheels. It's a 150 Royal SE. Interior carpet is new. Stereo system's new on it. Original door panels, original seat covers. So got a couple tears on the upper back of both sides. The rear seat's in good shape, no issues. Appears to be the original headliner that's in nice shape. Got the bucket seats with a console. There's your four-wheel drive, Kenwood stereo in it, air-conditioned truck. Got your whole gauges. According to the Carfax, appears to be the 133,038 is accurate. So really nice Dodge Ramcharger. Doesn't really need anything. Cruise control works. And in very nice shape. So these are still really affordable. They're a new exhaust on it, so they're a good buy compared to a Bronco or a Blazer. Especially if you're a Dodge guy, you won't want a Bronco or a Blazer. So if you're looking for a nice original Ramcharger 318 automatic in it, that's in very nice shape, just go out and drive it. Really doesn't need anything. Give us a call, 605-695-7391.